Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your headphones Pioneer DJ. All you need is a micro USB cable, and right here on the headphones we can see a micro USB port, so just connect it here. We can see a red light, so it means that it's charging, and of course headphones automatically turn off and disconnected from your phone. So if you want to listen to music, you need to connect a cable to the headphones and to your phone, if your phone supports a mini jack. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!